is Cutie Queen Bibakatan, Grade 4 Nara, from Santa Quiteria Elementary School, Caloocan City, under my science teacher, Mr. Hailey B. Kersiga. My home-based collaboration interactive video project is all about uses of water from the different sources. Trivia time! Did you know what are the uses of water? Uses of water are bathing, washing hands, cleaning, drinking, washing clothes, watering plants, cooking, and many more. My topic is all about uses of water from the different sources. There are two main sources of water, surface water and groundwater. Surface of water are also divided as natural sources and artificial sources. Surface water is found above land surface. For example, lake, river, and reservoirs. Groundwater lies under the surface of the land, where it travels through and fills opening in the rock. It is obtained by drilling wells, for example, bored wheel, hand pump, and others. Natural sources of water are those which can be found on each naturally. For example, river, lake, rain, and others. Artificial sources are constructed by the human. These are also called as man-made source of water. For example, well, dam, canal, hand pump, and others. We are use water every day to do many things. Uses of water include agricultural, household, and environmental activities.
Have a song, have a song, have a song, and with me. Have a song, have a song, have a song, and have a song.
Water, drink water, it is good for me. Thank you for watching. Nemo.God non habet.